Posibleng humirit ng refund ang Kamara sa National Grid Corporation of the Philippines kung mapapatunayang umabot sa mahigit 200 bilyong piso ang sobrang kinita nito. Inamin naman ng Energy Regulatory Commission o ERC kung bakit hirap silang singilin ang NGCP dahil sa inilabas nilang resolusyon. Yan ang agenda report ni Sandro Ochona.
Pinusisi ng House Committee on Ways and Means ang pagbabayad ng buwis ng NGCP. Sa unang pagdinig, ipinakita ng chairman ng komite na exempted sa corporate income tax, VAT at saka real property tax ang NGCP. At ito rin ang pinakamababang franchise tax na binabayaran. Paliwanag niya,
Admittedly, I was part of the what they call Economic Manager Plus One of Gloria Macapagal Arroyo. So you can get a better price for NGCP, so the franchise tax was brought down to only 3% to make it more sellable.
natalakay din na aabot ng 204.3 billion pesos ang excess revenues o sobrang kinita ng NGCP sa mga consumer mula 2016 hanggang 2020. Base ito sa kalkulasyon ng Energy Regulatory Commission o ERC. Pero nabusisi rin ang resolusyon na inihain ng ERC noong 2011 na pumapayag na maipasa sa consumer ang 3% franchise tax ng NGCP na sinuspindi lang noong 2023.
We thought it was faster to issue the suspension resolution and stop the collection, but we do admit we have to sort out those issues pointed out by Congressman Dagook if we were to go back and do a retroactive application of that suspension and order a refund.
Hindi naman po nila ipasa yon kung wala yung resolusyon na yon, kung hindi sila pinahintulutan ng regulator. Can the committee explore the possibility o to recommend kung ano yung possible legal accountabilities ng mga commissioners ng ERC na nag-approve nung petisyon ng NGCP na ipasa yung franchise tax nila.
Humingi naman ng panahon ng NGCP para makapagpaliwanag.
We respectfully acknowledge the Congress legislative power to review, refine, and revise the existing legislation as well as NGCP franchise granted by the Congress. And in light of the presentation made by the chairperson, we request that NGCP given time to submit a response to address the concerns of the committee and other committee as well.
Ipinasisilip din ni Salceda ang issue ng ownership ng kumpanya. Para sa agenda, Sandro Ochona, Billionaire News Channel.